Hello everyone, I go by the name Esther, and my colleagues and I are here to present on project management essentials and insight into key concepts and practices. Our presentation will be based on project management overview, definition and importance, key roles in project management lifecycle, time management and techniques, cost estimation and control, performance measurement methods, project scoping and planning methods. Presentation explores the fundamental aspects of project management, including its significance and interactions with key variables and essential planning methods. To begin with, let's define what project management is. Project management is initiating, planning, executing, and closing projects. So project management talks about how projects are started, the processes it goes through, and how projects are ended. There are numerous importance of project management, but for now we'll only talk about two. One, it's vital for ensuring that projects are completed on time, within scope, and meeting budget of stakeholders' requirements. Two, efficient project management helps minimize risk and ensure alignment of projects with organizational goals.
So, I'm Prince Philip, and I'll continue with key roles in project management. I want to talk about key roles in project management. The key role in project management includes the project manager, project sponsor, team members, and stakeholders. The project manager oversees the project's success and coordinates efforts among various stakeholders, while the sponsor provides resources and support. Team members also execute tasks, and stakeholders influence the project's direction and success. So let's move on to project management lifecycle. The project management lifecycle consists of 5 phases, which is the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling. Each phase has specific processes and outputs that contribute to the project's overall success. Understanding this life cycle aids in systematically approaching project challenges and delivering outcomes efficiently and effectively.
I'm the person of Isaac Kokunkansa, and I'm here to talk about techniques for management. And the techniques for management, we have 3 types of techniques. And these techniques are 1. Time, 2. Cost, 3. Performance management. Let's take our time and go through each of these types of technique management. 1. Time techniques management. Effective time technique management in projects involves using techniques such as Gantt charts, critical path method, and time blocking. These methods in scheduling tasks efficiently, prioritizing activities, and maintaining timelines, ensuring that projects are delivered on schedule and resources are optimally used. Second types of project management technique is cost estimation and cost control. Cost estimation is the process of predicting the cost associated with a project. Techniques include analog estimation, parametric estimation, and bottom-up estimation. Controlling costs involves tracking expenditures, managing budgets, and implementing cost-saving measures to mitigate overruns and ensure financial efficiency throughout the project. Performance management method or technique. Performance management method in project management are critical for assessing the effectiveness and efficiency of various project activities. Key methods used in performance measurement methods are KPIs, that is performance indicators, and value management, and benchmarking against best practices. By utilizing these methods, project managers can identify trends, spot areas needing improvement, and align project outcomes with organizational goals.
Person of Susanna Yantinkese, and I'll be talking about project scoping. I'll first define project scoping.
Project scoping involves documenting the project objectives, deliverables, features, and boundaries. Clear scope definitions help in setting expectations among stakeholders and guide the project's direction. It typically includes a scope statement, work breakdown structure, and project requirement to avoid scope creep and ensure all necessary components are captured. Also talk about the scope management techniques. Scope management techniques are practices that ensure all aspects of the project scope are adequately defined, monitored, and controlled. Techniques include scope baselining, scope validation, and scope change process that help manage stakeholders' expectations and enable effective communication throughout the project lifecycle. These practices are crucial to maintaining project alignment with business objectives. Benefits of proper scoping. Proper scoping benefits projects in numerous ways, such as ensuring clear project objectives, enhancing stakeholders' engagement, and reducing the risk of scope creep. It aids in resource allocation and budgeting, ultimately leading to better project outcomes and higher customer satisfaction. Clear scope definitions create a solid foundation for planning, execution, and monitoring, ensuring alignment with strategic goals.
So I'm the person of Sepenu Kofi Clifford, and then I'll be taking you through the planning methods. So with the planning methods, we have 3 approaches or techniques, and then they are the traditional planning approaches. We have the Agile planning techniques. We have the tools for effective planning. So I'll be taking you through some definitions and explanation on the planning methods. So we take the traditional planning approach. The traditional planning approach, such as the Waterfall or critical path methods, follow a linear and structured way to manage projects. These methods emphasize thorough upfront planning, allowing project managers to define tasks, timelines, and resources before execution begins. They are particularly effective for planning projects with well-defined equipment and allow levels of uncertainty. Okay, so we go to the second approach or technique, which is the Agile planning technique. With the Agile planning technique, we focus on flexibility and iterative progress through short systems or cycles called sprints. Scrums and Kanban are prominent Agile framework that promotes adaptive planning and continuous feedback. These methods allow teams to respond quickly to change and prioritize delivery high-value components, making them suitable for projects in dynamic environments with evolving requirements. Okay, so we move on to the third approach, which is the tools for effective planning. Tools are essential for effective project planning. Popular tools include Microsoft Project for scheduling, Trello for task management, and Asana for collaboration. These tools facilitate communication, helps track progress, and ensures accountability among team members. Utilizing technology in planning processes enhances productivity and keep projects organized.
Effective project management involves mastering components such as defining scope, measurement methods, and appropriate planning techniques. Properly managing these elements leads to a successful project outcome, ensuring alignment with organizational objectives and foster stakeholder satisfaction. Emphasizing structured approaches or agile methodologies allows for adaptability and controlled execution throughout project life cycles.